Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. I've got to say a special thank you to Thomas from EXOVCDS. Now, I'll put a link down in the description. If you don't know him, if you don't, you should go and check him out. He's going through a hard time at the minute. He's just split up with his girlfriend. He's done a video on it. And this is why, the reason I'm saying that is because this is why he sent me a few things and he's got, things a bit wrong. So I kind of forgive him for that. He sent me this. Now, he sent a few people number plates from Germany, but I don't understand why he's sent this one to me. I think it's because of the breakup. He just obviously got confused. If you don't know who he is, this is a picture of Thomas. After the breakup, as you can see, he's not all there, but he's now single. So guys, girls, whatever. Go to him, say hello. You never know, you might get lucky. So here we go, Thomas. Now me and Thomas go back a long way with our videos. Oh yeah, this is also Thomas. He's done some really good stickers. He's done these stickers of me. Now I've got a few of these to give away. He's also done some tattoos. We're going to get to that in a second. He's got some Charlie stickers, and here is his channel stickers. Like I said, he really knows his stuff. Go and check him out. Genuine guy, and there's not too many people like Thomas, which is maybe a good thing. But this, I'm going to stick this behind there somewhere so you can actually see it. Awesome. Thank you, Thomas. Sorted. Now, getting back, throwing it on the floor. That's important. You have to do that. Yeah, throw it on the floor. Well done. So, getting back to tattoos now. I'm going to do a separate video on this, but I just want to do another quick shout out. Thomas has got a couple of tattoos. It was a joke. I'll put the links in the videos in the description, and it kind of got real. Thomas got my channel tattoo on his arm, and I said, go big or go home, Thomas. I'm going to get a full tattoo done on my leg of all different YouTubers' logos. We're going to do it for charity. Thomas has already donated to it, which again I'll show that in another video. But your YouTube channel, if you want it on my leg, we're going to do it for charity. So all the money that people give me to put their channel name on my leg, we'll give it all to charity. I need to find someone who will design it, and we also need to find someone who will do it. But I'll do a proper video, separate video in the next few weeks on that. But I just want to say a big thank you to Thomas. He's awesome. He knows his stuff. He's got a fantastic YouTube channel. He does videoing with his glasses, so like the POV, so you can actually really see what he's doing, which is a great idea. And that's it. So sweet. Thank you, Thomas. So, like I said, his link's down in the description. Go and check him out. Tell him I sent you. Give him some support. He's just broken up with his girlfriend, so give him some love. Also, I'll put the link down to his video in the description where he explains that he'd broken up with his girlfriend. So yeah, everyone. So look, that's it. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, everybody else. And there we go. Like I always say, so look, like, share, subscribe, comment, but don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sweet! And welcome to Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit. Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now I've got to say a special thank you